called Mauna Loa, done in the old style. The lady that wrote this song speaks innocently enough of an inter-island steamer ship named Mauna Loa. It wasn't about the big island or the mountain or anything. This is about a steamer ship. And this steamer ship would start off in Honolulu Harbor, filled with cargo, venture out to Maui County, take care of that area, to Kauai, to the big island, and back to Oahu. Well, that's, Hawaiians have a hidden meaning, the kauna, yeah? So the kauna is, the woman that wrote the song had a husband that was like very giving of his aloha to other women, like really a friendly, couldn't just take a handshake or a hug, He just really was a friendly guy. And so she compares him to the ship, strong, and put this cargo on him, and he goes onto this big ocean, and that ship visits many ports of call, yeah? So she compares that to his little friends' houses. So I do this song for each and every one of you. My wife is here with me, and she didn't write this song, okay? This is many, many, many years ago, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy it. Song is titled Mauna Loa. It goes like this. Slacky guitar goes like this. Nauno iya ni ho kahila kay pela ho kau ay na iya may nakapuna kuwang kaya anak mo iya kahila kay pela ho kau Thank you very much. Hallelujah. Thank you. I don't know, baby.